This is Glenn, President of ERD. This is our first update for our Freightliner Cascadia CPC4 repair that we are performing for truckers all across America. After several months of engineering and working our staff to the bone, we are now having success on this repair and can add our 3-year warranty after the repair. All units that are approved with in-house have been given a schedule, but all of you out there who are watching this video for the first time, when you send your units in, upon approval, we will give you your schedule. So please, for more updates, subscribe, like, and tap that bell for post notifications.